Here's how to delete Botim account on phone in less than 3 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this easy step-by-step guide exactly how you can delete your Botim account quickly and avoid leaving any personal data behind so you can finish the process right away without confusion. Start by opening the Botim app on your phone and making sure you are logged into the account you want to remove. Once you're on the main screen, go to your profile or settings section. This is usually found by tapping your profile picture or the menu icon. From there, scroll until you find account settings or privacy options. Next, look for the option related to account management or deleting your account. Tap it and read the information shown on the screen. Botim may explain what happens after deletion, such as losing chats, contacts, and saved data. This step is important so you know exactly what will be removed and that the action cannot be undone. After that, confirm your phone number. Most accounts require verification before deletion to make sure the request is coming from the owner. Enter the number linked to your account and wait for the verification code. Type the code when prompted to continue. Once verified, follow the final confirmation steps. You may be asked to confirm again or select the reason for leaving. Complete the prompts and tap the delete or confirm button. At this point, the request is submitted and your account will be scheduled for removal. Some accounts are deleted instantly while others may take time before they are fully removed. During this period, avoid logging back in since signing in again can cancel the deletion request. If the app stays installed, consider removing it after the process is complete. If the delete option does not appear, update the app first through your app store and check again. Older versions sometimes hide newer account settings. You can also visit the help section inside the app to access the deletion page. Deleting your Botim account is mostly about finding the right setting, verifying your number, and confirming the request. Once done, your profile, messages, and account data are cleared according to the app's process, giving you a clean exit without extra steps.